Hello everybody. Now we are going to discuss today the characters, the description of the characters from the one of the very famous play of the great dramatist William Shakespeare. The name of the play is Comedy of Errors. This play is we are going to discuss with the second year BA second year optional paper with literature and cinema, and we are going to understand how this play is adopted in the film Angur, film edited by or produced or directed by Gulzar. So I am going to talk with today about the characters from the play Comedy of Errors. Let's go for the characters. The first, the most important character or the central character of the play is Antipholus. Actually, Antipholus is a twin character. It's a double role. We are able to see the same character is a double. So Antipholus of Ephesus. Okay, this is the one more character, the central character of this play. Antipholus of Ephesus, he is the twin brother of Antipholus of Syracuse and the son of Egon and Emilia. He is a well-respected and wealthy merchant in Ephesus and Adrina's husband. Look at this. This is a very important character. He is a twin brother of Antipholus of Syracuse and he is the son of Egon and Emilia. He is a well-respected and wealthy merchant in Ephesus, and very interestingly, he is a husband of Adrina. Another important character is Antipholus of Syracuse. Antipholus of Syracuse, he is a twin brother of Antipholus of Ephesus and the son of Egon and Emilia. When our play opens, he had just arrived in Ephesus, not knowing that his father, mother and brother are also there. Antipholus of Syracuse is a sad, lost man at the start of the play, wanting only to complete himself by finding his lost brother and mother. So Antipholus of Syracuse is in a search of his brother, his father and mother. So he came with Dromio in the city called Ephesus. So Antipholus of Syracuse is a twin brother of Antipholus of Ephesus. So these are the two important characters. They are the central character. We can call them as hero of the play. Okay, Antipholus of Ephesus and Antipholus of Syracuse. After them, the supporting character of Antipholus of Syracuse and Antipholus of Ephesus, this is Dromio of Ephesus, is a twin brother of Dromio of Syracuse, and Dromio of Syracuse is a twin brother of Dromio of Ephesus. This Dromio of Ephesus is a supporting character to the Antipholus of Ephesus, and Dromio of Syracuse is a supporting character to the Antipholus of Syracuse. So these two characters, okay, this character of Dromio is also double character. So these two characters are also named as the same name, but we can recognize them by the name of Dromio of Ephesus and Dromio of Syracuse, like Antipholus of Ephesus and Antipholus of Syracuse. After them, Abyssis or Emilia, she is a mother. Abyssis of Emilia she is a mother of this Antipholus, and she is a wife of this Egon. And she, unfortunately, in a shipwreck, she came in the city, and she was not able to know that her husband and her kids are in the same city. So that was a confusion, and that every confusion is going to be clear in the end of the play. There is another character, Adrina. Adrina, she is a wife of Antipholus of Ephesus, and she is a sister of Lucina. And she is an outspoken lady. Okay, she is a possessive and jealous of her husband. Adrina kicks against the restriction of women's freedom brought by marriage and does not see why double standards should apply to men and women. So she is a kind of a character who believes in the freedom of women. She is a jealous. She is a very possessive about her husband, and her sister's name is Lucina. She is her sister is Lucina. It is also one more very interesting character. She is a wife of Antipholus of Ephesus. After this, there is another important character, Angelo, who is a goldsmith. He is a goldsmith in Ephesus and is a friend and businessman of associate of Antipholus of Ephesus. He make the gold chain, and that gold chain create much more fun and confusion in the play. Slowly we are going to understand that what is the role of this gold chain in the play. After there is one more character, Balzer. He is a merchant in Ephesus like Angelo. There is another character, Lucina. She is a sister of Adrina. I told you she is a sister of Adrina. There is one more important character, Dr. Pinch. Dr. Pinch is both a schoolmaster and conjurer. And finally, there is the central character, or the father and mother of this Antipholus is Egon. Egon, he is a merchant from Syracuse. He is a father of Antipholus twins and husband of the Abyssis, that is Emilia. He is separated from his wife and one son in a shipwreck, and he is in search of his wife and his lost son. Okay, so that is the very interesting character. We can even call as he is a central part or a center character of this play. called Egon. So, my dear friends, this Egon, Emilia, Antipholus, and Dromio, and Adrena. Okay, these are the few much more important characters in the play called Commedia Fieros, and we are going to understand them in detail while we are going to discuss the play. Thank you, friends.